Good morning, boys and girls. This morning we are doing addition and subtraction using the breaking down method. When we are using this method, it's important to understand and remember that we need to write all the digits underneath each other for easy calculation, which means we need to write the units under the units, the tens under the tens, the hundreds under the hundreds, etc. So we are going to start by adding the units first. In this case, I'm going to add the 9 plus the 3, which will give me an answer of 12. Next, we're going to add the 60 plus the 60, which will give me an answer of 120. Then I'm going to add 400 plus 400, and that will give me an answer of 800. Lastly, I'm going to do the 3,000 plus the 8,000, and that will give me 11,000. Right, boys and girls, now I've finished adding up horizontally. Now I need to add up vertically, and I'm going to add up all my numbers. 2 here plus 3, 3, that is 911, and now I'm going to add a 3, 6, 4, 8, and 9, 6, 4, and 3. Remember, this answer must give you that number, this answer must give you that number, and then you will have your correct answer on the right hand side at the bottom. We're moving on to the subtracting using the breaking down method. The same rules apply here, ladies and gentlemen, but you need to understand here when we look at this example that we cannot subtract 8 from 5. So what we need to do here is we need to go and borrow from the 4. But remember, boys and girls, we are not borrowing only 1, we are actually borrowing 10, which means that my 4 will change to a 3 and my 5 will then become 15. So now what we do is the 15 minus 8, and it gives me an answer of 7. Then I'm going to do 30 minus 30, which gives me an answer of 0. Then I'm doing 300 minus 200, that is 100. Then I'm doing 7,000 minus 3,000, and that gives me 4,000. Right. Now something very important that you need to understand. We've already subtracted our answers horizontally. To get my final answer, I'm not going to subtract it vertically. I need to add these numbers to get the correct answer. So this will be 7014, and now 8323 minus, and this will be 5, 4, 3, and 7. Again, this number must give you that number there. This answer must give you that answer there. And finally, you'll have your correct answer in the right-hand bottom corner.